Welcome back to another episode of Yard Dog Digest. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about some flexible driving modes that are available with your truck. In a previous episode, you'll remember we talked about the dyno and how we make sure that the shift points are set correctly before the vehicle ever arrives. There's another feature available in the cab that allows you to make slight alterations to that we're going to talk about next. Occasionally, we'll hear from operators that one truck's got more power than another, and we'll look at the specifications and find they've got the same components. Almost all yard dogs are built with the same Cummins engine and Allison transmission, but could they still feel like they've got different power? Sure enough, they can. And it all comes down to shift scheduling. I'll explain more in the cab. So in the cab, your shift pad's over here, and see this mode button? This allows you to toggle between different shift patterns that come with the truck. There's two different modes, the first of which is economy, which will have the truck shift a little bit more naturally and be easy on fuel usage. The second mode is performance mode, which will prioritize startability and power. So if you're pulling a load and it feels a little bit sluggish, go ahead and hit the mode button and see what kind of an impact that has. While we're in the cab, I'll call your attention to one more cool feature that's right on the dash in the middle of the gauge cluster. This is our LED screen, and I'm going to hold down on that bottom button to get to settings. I'm now going to move to the vehicle health screen and hit OK. Here you'll see a few key indicators. First, you'll see the coolant level, transmission life, and DEF fluid level. You'll also see the battery voltage, whether there's any vehicle faults, and the DPF soot level. The soot level in particular I think is interesting. Traditionally on diesel trucks, you have to monitor whether your regen light's on. This gives you some insight into how close you're getting by monitoring the amount of foot in the particulate filter system. Another cool feature of the LED screen is that you can pull fault codes. To do that, we're going to hold down on this button again, and we're going to go down to Diagnostics and hit OK. We're going to move down to active DTC codes to show us any active codes that are in the system. Now, this truck doesn't happen to have any, but if there were, it would show it right there, including their SPN number, as well as the description on the more common faults. From there, you might need some support, and don't forget to call your Autocar Solutions techs. There's decals all over the cab, but if you ever forget, just go back to your home screen, go to Settings again, scroll down to Solutions, hit OK, and you'll see right there to contact us first, and the 888 number is right on your dash. So as you can see, this truck's really built around usability and with the driver in mind. You can change your shift patterns, you can check the instantaneous health of the vehicle, as well as check any fault codes if a check engine light's on. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos.